Hello, everybody. I'm here in Shenzhen, China, having lunch with all of the beautiful women, and we can't forget Optimus. We're having lunch here, and we're talking about things that will help users, help to better things for you guys. And I just talked about I talked about a payment, and she just let me know this is Winnie.
Yeah.
Winnie handles our store, you guys. So be very kind to her. And Winnie, go ahead and tell us a little bit about your store and what you do.
Yes, we have some improvements in our payment method because there are so many people they may not just go in our official store and they cannot notice what kind of a payment method we added to our official store, right? And now we have 1 week ago, and we added this kind of a payment in our official store, and the customers they can use the card by Stripe or can use the local payments like WeChat and Alipay, and in the future we also will add the Google Pay and Apple Pay, even though the form added to our official store, and in such way our customers they can choose so many another other payment method to check out to make the checkout. Yeah, and just Cherish just suggested that we need to add a form because a form is so famous in the United States.
Yes.
Yeah. So we will
Awesome.
make hard to make it complicated.
Absolutely, absolutely. And they're trying to make it affordable for you guys, and they're trying to make it easy for you to purchase, because I know that I've talked to users, and I personally don't like going away from Creality. I know, yes, I'm getting a Creality printer on Amazon, but I like to stick with Creality. And I'm sure most of you do, and some of you have to go to Amazon. And Amazon's great. Please do not take it that I'm saying it's wrong. But if you want to stick with Creality, in my opinion, your invoice is there. When you're going to customer service, if need be, they can always go in and look up your invoice if you can't find it. But they have added a lot of new things, as Winnie said. They added a lot of new things to their site. When you go to checkout, right now WeChat and Alipay, and they're going to be adding more. So that's as she said. So I just wanted you guys, see, here's somebody who's behind the scenes, and they're making everything amazing for our website and amazing for us to be able to get. So this is Winnie. She's wonderful.
Yeah,
Keep up the
thank
good
you.
work.
Okay.
We're so happy that you did an impromptu interview,
Yeah.
and we look forward to the future. Thank you.
And we just hope you can give us more suggestions and something we can do to improve our official store and then let more customers to buy things from official store.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Okay.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let you go because I'm heading back to California. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.